Forward.
How do you go down? Or how do you go through it? I know how to do the rabbit hole. This is... The rabbit hole is just that. Peter, you're my buddy.
There he comes. So far we got 100% success.
Look, Peter. Hold on.
Charlie, tell me when you're through.
I think Alan
Here.
come away from the hole a little bit. You can get up. You can't get up if you're straight in the hole.
Wait. What? Come on. He's here. No, he's up here. Here. Oh no.
You're doing good.
Peter, you're good. Am I able to go up? Yes. Good? Yes, Peter, good.
Let me know if you need help putting that back on again.
I might. Nope.
There we go.
Are there multiple keyholes?
No, just the one.
I feel like that was.
Peter, you're good.
I feel like that was different from last time.
Can you just look at? Wait, you're gonna block up the keyhole.
You could have brown.
I feel like everything looks different.
Peter, you could come up.
Right down here on this side here.
Luke Peters, come up.
You'll be fine. Okay.
Let me put that
Need
in.
the weight.
That's it. You're doing good.
Okay.
Peter's just my buddy. We're gonna go climb.
Let's just. How about we just stay in one big
I
group?
just want to climb.
There's mud on my eyebrow now.
Oh, I want to climb, and Luke M's not gonna climb.
Bro,
You're not gonna climb with us.
I'll go.
Well, I have to wait for Luke Peters. He's my buddy.
You're good.
I'm just with people.
Peters, are you up? I'm coming.
2 hands.
That keyhole felt a lot easier than last time.
I mean, it seemed pretty easy, honestly. My bag was the only thing really tricky.
Last time it felt. I think it felt smaller.
Wait. Wait. Get off my pants. Get off my pants. Get off. Other foot.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Well, I
Very
can climb
good.
that.
Jacob, you're good now. Luke Peters, come up here with me.
You okay, Luke
Okay, wait.
Peters?
Go. Yeah, I'm Peters. Come up with me.
There you go.
I do want Luke
Here,
Peters.
let's
You're
grab
my
the
buddy.
bag and let's go. Let Luke Peters in front of you.
Okay. Here, hold up. Luke Peters, can you fit by me?
Yeah, I can. Here. Come on. Just be careful of it.
You okay, bro?
Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna go climbing. Charlie.
No, Dylan, do you want to team up?
It's all 4 of
There
us.
we go.
Oh, wait, oh.
We can make one big
Oh, I
one.
thought that was Dylan.
That is.
It's not. That's Charlie.
Oh, that's Charlie. What am I doing?
Yeah, I'm recording.
There you go.
Yeah, Charlie's in front since he's recording.
There you go.
So left or right?
Left or right? Alan, left or right? Either. Either? Yeah.
Let's go right.
Let's go left, because left is always right.
No, right is small. I mean bigger.
Charlie,
Oh, there's a
can
hole
you
right
hold this?
here.
I'm going to throw it to you.
Guys,
Or never mind, I'm not going to throw it.
in this hole. Because there's something in there probably.
Come on.
That's probably.
Luke, there's only 2 bats in the cave.
What are the chances of?
Oh, I hear someone. Right. Let's go right, because right is right. I hear people.
Well, you normally have it in groups, right?
I think it might.
Yes. Charlie, Jacob, we're climbing.
It's going.
Jacob, we're going right, okay? Can you let everybody else know? Well, screw you. Nobody cares about your opinion, Jacob. Duck. Go. You good? go. Oh, bucket.
Oh, it collected water. I want to drink it. Look. Like, quite literally, look.
I know, let's go. Where is it? Oh, there's a bucket.
Look how fresh that looks.
Let's just keep moving.
Look.
Okay, let's keep moving.
Look at that.
Okay, I see.
It's so clear.
Oh, that feels so nice. It's still water. Come on. Luke Peters, it'll be tight. Charlie, what if it's still water?
It is still water.
Is there brain-eating amoebas in it?
I am not a nerd, so I don't know. Probably not. Hopefully not.
How long do you think the water's been still?
We might need to turn back.
How come? We don't know where. Just turn around. Just stop.
It looks like it stops. It probably keeps going, but I don't want to.
What?
Or we think.
We think. We don't want to test it. We don't want to test it right now. Yeah. It gets really tight and looks pretty bad.
It gets really tight.
Well, not that tight, but it just gets tight enough. But it gets tight. We don't know if it's a dead end or not.
And left is always right.
Yeah, left is always right. Yeah, look at him. You're gonna have to move. Look at him. You have to move. He can't. No, he can't go moving. Okay. Why are you in front of us? Look at him. Do you want to go last? So we can get through and not suffocate. The air's thin. What? The air is thin.
I think I have dirt in my mouth. And it tastes good.
Why do you think you have to go in front of us? Go, Luke. Like, use your feet, not just your knees. Yeah. Jesus. Use your hands, too. Like,
Jesus.
yeah. YOUCave has to downward. YOUCave has to go last. For us to make it out.
I just sat on a spike. That hurt. Right there.
Do that again, will you?
Right there. Nope.
YOUCave, can you? No. Go back? Why? Why?
It's too small for us.
Oh, shit. Move. It's too small.
That's dumb.
He said go either way, left or right.
It's too small.
Nope, they can't fit.
Jacob can't fit. We can't fit.
We don't know which way to go now.
Hey, James.
Hello.
Ooh, I'm special. How special? Very special. I dipped my hand
We didn't
in
know
water.
which way to go. Because,
I wish I was that special. Explore.
well, we did. They're both dead ends.
Okay.
One's too tight for us to fit, and the other's just a dead end.
Okay.
Where's the big area with the little, like, little tiny rock areas that you can go in and there's, like, tunnels?
Back down that way.
Yeah,
Back down that way?
Yeah.
Because there's, I like that place.
Hello.
Oh, there's a hole right there. I forgot.
Charlie, are you still holding the GoPro?
Nope.
It's on its head now. Keep going.
This place is really fun to climb. Once you get to the actual area,
The climbing area?
there's lots of places to climb.
Good.
You're gonna climb up these rocks.
All right.
Just follow me.
Oh, okay. I trust you for some reason.
Yeah, this is my favorite spot to go.
Come on, Peters, we're gonna climb. Who's the strongest climber?
Technically, I should be last.
I feel like we should. I'm coming. Well, we're climbing.
Who is that? Who go there? Oh. Hey, I know you. I'm
Peters,
going.
we're climbing up.
Okay. I thought that was
Circle back, circle back.
Where are you going? Wait, why are you circling back, Jackson?
Well, you climb. You put your flag. You slide down, Luke.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't see the.
We're gonna have to. How do you How do you get up this way?
GoPro tilted down already. Move, I got you. Here, do you want to push?
No.
Should we climb it?
If anything, I should push you.
Here, wait, move.
I'm.
Do you want me to get my feet on it?
Crap. I just like.
They're too slippery.
Oh,
They're too fucking slippery. How did Luke do this?
I think I might. Luke M did this.
I did it.
Luke M did
got up.
this.
Charlie, I'm up. What did Luke M do?
I don't know.
He
Apparently.
cave. Whoa.
Watch out! I might fall.
Yeah. It's in my blind. Yeah, I'm fine. It was just in my blind spot.
Yeah.
What's up, Jackson? Why did these coveralls have to be so? Come on.
Hold on.
I just lifted myself up, guys. We went through the keyhole and back. You okay? We don't know. We had to come this way. The other ways were too small or had dead ends.
I just realized that isn't there a huge area for climbing back here somewhere?
Come on, Charlie. Can you hold this for me?
You guys can find there's holes in the sides here if you want to explore the holes.
Why do you want to get out of here?
Me?
No, I'm talking about Luke M.
Here, can I set this right here?
Yo, who wants to explore a hole?
Right
with me?
there.
Charlie, do you want to explore a hole with me?
Your bag is right here.
Okay. Charlie, do you want to explore a hole with me?
Sure.
I know. Whoa. Charlie, there's a big hole right there. You want to go down and explore it?
Oh, okay. Good.
There's some, Charlie, you want to go down that one?
Oh. It stops. I think.
No, but we can explore it.
Do you want to go that way? Because there's a good place for
He said
climbing.
we can explore.
Yeah, do you want to go? But if we go back that way, there's a good spot
Yeah,
for
but
climbing.
yeah, but we can explore, he said.
There's nothing
sides.
down here. There's nothing down here.
Don't forget your bag. If you have
Actually, wait. It goes farther. So Connor, let's.
Charlie, you guys go through the keyhole to get into this
Yeah.
room?
Well, we went and then we went the other way. So yeah, we went.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, we went through the keyhole and then went the opposite way and then came this way.
Oh wait, Connor, there's spots back here.
What?
Climbing, I think. Well, it's flat. It's not
Let's
really.
just go that way then.
Let's go straight. Is there room back there anywhere?
Try, I'm above you.
Yeah.
I blocked the way.
Is this your
It
bag?
gets really tight coming back that way.
Do you want it?
Really tight. Sure.
Jackson, what's behind you? Is there anywhere behind you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it goes into a big opening.
We want
I
that.
would suggest waiting for, or well, not really.
Yeah, probably wait for
Big opening. I think that's where I was talking about.
Probably wait for him and see because I don't know where all the gaps are.
Half of us.
He just told us to explore. Wait, where does it go? Where do we enter? Down there?
Down there goes somewhere else, but I would suggest waiting before going in there.
He told us
Because
just to.
well, thing is, we just came from there. It's not exactly an easy thing for anybody.
Oh, so it's small.
Yeah.
Where's the big
I thought
area?
you said it was big.
Where it leads
dead
to
end or
is a
something?
little bit big, but not really.
Is this dead end or something?
Is there places to
We have to
climb?
wait.
Like lots of places to climb?
I'd say just wait for Alan, see what he wants to do from this area, because this, in there, where you guys just came from, over there, that's also considered a big opening.
I want to take our such more. I don't know where to put it.
You don't want to get cut up.
I don't know where to put
So
it.
I would say just wait for the guy. Because me, Eric, and Zach are also going different ways and seeing a whole bunch of different stuff than what you guys are.
I'm recording you.
I'm aware.
I am going to report you.
Me?
Yeah. I don't know.
Holy moly.
Report him to
Dude, the
host.
cave just dropped like 10 degrees. I'm gonna take off my hoodie too.
Oh, you had two layers on under that.
I'm fine with my hoodie. It's just my helmet. It's like no, my hoodie was helmet. Why did I take my glove off?
Alright, quick show of hands. Who's having fun so far?
Me.
Me, I.
Awesome.
Worst part about this.
I'm gonna record Eric.
Yeah. Opening this.
I'm recording you.
Oh no.
How come you got the GoPro?
Cause my helmet has the GoPro holder.
Don't have your helmet on.
Should I just put on a bike helmet?
I'm not.
I'm just saying, it looked like you were trying to get up. Don't, unless you got that on. It's actually fastened. Not a
Your
smart.
bag is not open. Yeah, can you like
Can you help me buckle it?
can you
Actually,
put my
wait.
hoodie in there too? Just like, get
There's
it
really
in.
only 2
Just
spots.
shove
Like,
it in. That's
we've
all I
only
do.
gone through like 4 spots that are actually like tiny.
Whoops.
So lucky.
The rest of it's been like open. But I feel like if you have like a severe thing with claustrophobia,
My arm.
I had to take off the light. I was
Yeah, I don't think that looks good.
Why do you have it there then?
Because I thought it was a good idea.
down.
Turns out it wasn't a good idea.
Nothing you, almost nothing you do is a good idea.
Giving you that bike wasn't a good idea.
Almost. I said almost. Almost. Almost.
Okay, I got you there.
I said almost.
Eric, wrist camera is getting disabled.
Why?
oh, wrist.
I mean, not wrist camera, wrist light.
Charlie, can you button this one?
Yeah, sure.
Disabled?
Yeah. Look what it was doing to my arm.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I could feel my hand just building in pressure. Wasn't a great feeling.
Yeah, the whole like leave no bios behind. He didn't
I think.
specifically list it, but I think